the 6 baby birds that are not quite babies anymore that I incubated. This is the 6 babies I incubated, okay? Well, I let them loose today, and with the 4, what I've been calling teenagers that I had got from Tractor Supply. Big hens. They're a little intimidated, but I had the 6 birds I incubated in a cage, within a cage, in here, so they can get used to them for about 4 days. So they're sniffing around, looking around. They're a little intimidated, but so far so good. Also, mom and babies are doing good. Let me see the babies. She's a little young hen herself, so she only had 2 chicks out of the 7 eggs. But it was okay. She did good. She's a good mom. In fact, I had to separate them because before she can even finish letting them hatch, the other birds kept attacking her and bullying her because they knew something was up. So they got some feathers out of her back. So I've got these guys in a separate cage by themselves. But they're doing good. So, just going to let these guys mingle and see how it turns out. And how everything goes. Anywho. And my existing Chiquitas, which some look pretty bad, but I had already gotten rid of that bully. Pulled all their feathers out. They look pitiful. Chilling in the breezy, what I feel like fall weather because of the previous rains we've had. Well, that poor bird that I just got on here was one that was bullied severely. She's healthy, she just don't look it. Which gives me, these are the other guys, gives me a total of all in all 31. I did have 33. I think that's what he said, 33, 35, gave 2 away, 2 died, so I'm got 31 anyway. So we're doing good, lots of eggs. See how this little homestead works out. Got a little mess in here, got to clean up this cage. But yeah. Other than that, we are doing good. Radishes didn't turn out so well. Potatoes somewhat, just waiting on the leaves to finally fall to get those up. Acorn squash. Butternut squash. Tomatoes still doing good. Bell peppers doing good. More tomatoes and more tomatoes. Love tomatoes. Sugar baby. Watermelons in there somewhere. I gotta clean this out again. We do have quite a few of them actually. And another acorn squash. I don't know if they could see that. My chickens have scratched up enough to find an Indian arrowhead, and I do believe it really is. Look at the detailed carving on it. I believe it. And Indians have, especially Cherokee, have been all over these parts for years and years and years ago. I mean, you got the Trail of Tear coming in and out every other end of these surrounding counties, including this one. But I thought it was very interesting that my chickens scratched up enough in their chicken run and found this Indian artifact. To me,